look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you, I was insane. Stay, played our Blink-182 song. Now we beat to death in Tucson, okay. I know it breaks your heart to move to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years on call, and now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.